Alright, it will be a miracle if I'm still married at the end of this project.
I'm Brianne, mom to many, desert dweller, and reckless renovator. I sometimes nail it the first time. I often get in over my head, but I never regret. Fostering Design.
Welcome back to Fostering Design with Brianne. And today, we're going to find out why this channel is called Fostering Design. Because I don't know what I'm doing. And there's a lot of things that I'm still trying to figure out. Correction, gently nudging my husband to figure these things out. I'm Brianne, and my job is anything design or detail oriented. Is what I'm best at. And my husband Mark, and he's in charge of our math and muscle department. And together, with a lot of mistakes along the way, we figured out how to change our butler's pantry into a baking station. So come along with us as we fail time and time again. We started off really great by scoring everything so we didn't damage the wall. Took care of deconstruction with almost no problems. And then this is where the problem started. This space is not square, and we plan on putting custom-built drawers into these built-ins. And starting off with an unsquare space, not a good idea. We did double up our shelving for strength, which worked out really well. I also made the mistake of leaving my camera unattended. We screwed our supports into studs and countersunk the screws. Added trim, and we were good to go for the detail work, which is where I come in. Definitely clean your space very well. Use caulk and baby wipes, my secret weapon. And this is where things turned again. Do not use this spackling on wood. I would definitely go back and use wood filler. I flooded the edges of the MDF trim and sanded them smooth. We went against the manufacturer's recommendations and made our drawers much larger than they should have been. But Mark did router them, so they were nice and strong when he put them together. And he added some glue for extra support. So although they're large and chunky, they are very strong. Then I come back in to finish off the drawers. I caulk, sand, fill the holes, and add some iron-on banding. And here we are making another big mistake, painting it with latex. Definitely not a good choice for a furniture-like piece without a top coat. Latex paint is not going to hold up. We will definitely come back and repaint this. And here we are trying to fit drawers into an unsquare space over and over and over again. Finally, with the use of some washers and a whole lot of patience, we got them in. And see, I couldn't even pour the oatmeal in the jar well. Thankfully, I had some help. And even with all of those mistakes and hair loss along the way, this project turned out better than we could have ever imagined. Thanks for watching today, and I hope your projects go a lot smoother than ours. How do these drawers make you feel?
It's a good thing I love you.